today is the 20th.
20th.
And it actually, oh, it didn't rain. It rained in Worcester though. so tonight is our Viennese Waltz dance party. By the way, we're gonna have a lot of Viennese Waltz. We have plenty of opportunity to be able to practice this. What we did is we did, I'm sorry, this is Suzanne, Sue, Jim, James, Iago, Dimitri, Santiago. Those are all James. Anyway, so we did the hesitation step, which was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We took it forward and back. We also took it from the side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, we want to keep the feet connected to the floor. It's going to allow us not to pop up, especially Viennese. If this was waltz, but for Viennese, we want to make sure we keep on that. Then we did our reverse turn. So we want to start thinking about creating a counter rotation to the left. There you go. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Good. So that was our reverse turn. And then we took the reverse turn and we did a couple of taps, which kind of was interesting. So we do that half of a reverse turn. 1, 2, 3. We talked about really creating a little bit of space between my partner as I step back onto my right, which is putting her weight onto her left so that I can point, and then we cross, point, and then we finish with the second half of the reverse turn. So, with it all together, you want to do this a little amalgamation. We started with our hesitation steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Thank you very much. Take your requests tonight if you want to do any. Thank you.